Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a look at Recall AI. In order to do so, here we are at getrecall.ai, and what is Recall all about? Well, you can learn faster and retain more. It's your self-organizing knowledge base where you can summarize and chat with any online content, and you can click here to get started for free. But let's go ahead and just take a closer look at the homepage here. Get instant summaries of all your content, news articles, PDFs, YouTube videos, podcasts, blog posts, Wikipedia. Bring order to content chaos. Store your content with peace of mind, accessible through the browser extension, web and mobile apps. You can explore cross-platform support here. Save hours every day. Get to the point faster. Focus on what matters with instant summaries, and chat works best with YouTube, PDFs, Google Docs, articles, and more. Always recall with augmented browsing. Never wonder where you've seen something before. Related content is automatically linked and stored in a knowledge graph. As you browse, these connections resurface in real time, turning passive browsing into actual discovery, all while keeping your data local and secure. Cross-platform accessibility. We've got Chrome, we've got Firefox. You can download the app at the App Store with Google Play. So if you're interested in using Recall, head over to getrecall.ai. But let's take a look at the pricing here. We've got the free version, which allows you 10 free content summaries and chats and unlimited read it later storage, unlimited personal notes. Then we've got the subscription, which is $7 a month, and you get everything in light, plus unlimited content summaries and chats, YouTube, podcasts, PDFs, articles, and more. Chat with your entire knowledge base, ask questions across all your saved content, automatic categorization, automatic knowledge graph, unlimited AI quiz questions, bulk import bookmarks and pocket saves, multi-language support, and augmented browsing. Resurfaces related content from your knowledge base as you browse. So that's what you get in the subscription, and there's also custom pricing if you are interested in that as well. So head over to getrecall.ai and get started by clicking Get Recall Free. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree there. You will find our socials. We'd love to have you on our Discord. We're building something special there. And we have a variety of promotions and recommendations. If you click there in the link tree, you'd be helping us out as well. We'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're looking for an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you will get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.